and welcome back. So after your regular classes, after a lot of work, it's time to have some fun time. It's time for our rhyme time. Yes. So today we are going to recite a very beautiful rhyme about animals that live near us, that lives in our surroundings, and we are also going to understand about the sound that these animals make. Clear? So the animals that we are going to learn about today are also called farm animals. Can anyone tell me what is a farm? Anyone? Farm is a place with very big land. जिसकी बहुत बड़ी land होती है. It is having a very spacious area where some area is used to create a house or to build a house. जिसमें थोड़ा सा एरिया यूज किया जाता है to construct a house. जहाँ पे हम house construct करते हैं. ठीक है? So who lives in the house? Owner of the farm. जो उस farm का owner. Then some area of the farm is given to these animals. वहाँ पे इन animals के houses बनाते हैं. Like dogs, they live in kennel. Then cow, they live in shed. Then pig, they love to play in sludge, जिसको हम कीचड़ बोलते हैं. So our area is given to them. Then there is a small pond where ducks live. Then there is a small coop for hen. So these type of different houses are made for animals, and the rest of the land is used for cultivation, for agriculture. जहाँ पे हम different crops उगाते हैं, fruits हैं, vegetables हैं, ये सब agricultural activities होती हैं. So who do these agricultural activities? Farmers. That means house में कौन रहता है? Farmer and the family, उसकी family. And then animals and the rest of the land is used for agricultural use. Now this is what a farm is. ये क्या है? A farm. Then talking about farm animals. Who are farm animals? Animals that help in agricultural activities, like we have cow. So what we use from cow? Milk. अब मिल्क मिलेगा, ताकत मिलेगी, तभी तो एक्टिविटीज करेंगे. So female is cow who is giving milk. Male is ox who is plowing the field, isn't it? Then we have hen. Hen gives us egg. We have dog to guard everything. We have horse. तो जो भी हमारा कल्टीवेशन होता है वो हॉर्स कार्ट्स या हॉर्स के ऊपर हम रखते हैं. And then we go to market. So horse are also helping us. So farm animals are the animals that are helping us in some or the other way. If we talk about hens, तो chicken हमें hen से ही मिलता है. If we talk about pork, that we get from hen, from pig. Ham की बात करते हैं तो the one which we eat, ham है, pork है. These all are non-veg things which we get from pig. We get from hen. Sheep gives us wool. So there are different animals which give different things to the farmer, and they all are helping in one or the other way in agricultural activities. So all these animals are kept at farm only. And who those animals are? We have duck, then dogs, cats, sheep, horses, hen, cow, pig, isn't it? So these are the farm animals that a farmer keeps on his farm. Now what happens is, let us learn this poem in a story form. What happened one day, the owner of the farm, yes, the name of the farm, the owner is McDonald. What is the name of the owner? जो farmer था, जो मालिक था, what was the name? McDonald, and he was an old man. So this is a poem about an old man whose name is McDonald, and talking about all these animals on the farm and how they enjoy playing with each other, making different sounds, and how we find out what sound is coming. Sound से हम identify करेंगे. Yes, this is the animal we are talking about. So this rhyme is all about farm animals and the sounds they make. Clear? ready to start this rhyme? Sure? Let's begin with it. So one by one, we'll make the animal sounds and we'll understand. Clear? So let's begin with the rhyme. An old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Say with me. An old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. अब जो farm owner था MacDonald, he was an old man. अब he was old तो ऐसे चलते थे with a stick, with the help of a stick. So we are going to intimate like an old MacDonald. An old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some ducks. E-I-E-I-O. अब farm पे कौन था? There were some ducks. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. तो duck कैसे sound करती है? Quack quack, quack quack. Isn't it? So this is the sound of the duck. चलिए पहले हम सारी sounds को समझते हैं. So duck is an animal. Duck कैसे आवाज करती है? Quack quack, quack quack. Then we have a dog. So you all know how a dog barks? Woo woo, woo woo. This is the sound of a dog. Next we have is meow, meow. So when we are saying meow, so we are talking about cat. See, you all know that. Okay. Next, ba, ba, ba. Who is this? Hey, it's a sheep. Yes. And what we get from sheep? We get lot of wool from the sheep. Sheep से हमें क्या मिलती है? ढेर सारी wool मिलती है. And what we do of that wool? We make beautiful, colorful sweaters, caps, mittens, mufflers, which help us in winter season. They protect us from the cold weather. So sheep is a very useful animal, isn't it? And you know, sheep also gives milk. Next, we have is hen. So what is that? It's a sound of a hen. So what we get from hen? We get eggs. So we make omelets out of it. We make lot of dish that are cooked with the help of egg. You know, the cakes, pastries, whatever you are eating, all these we put egg in it. Then hen itself, sometimes we use them to cook chicken. जो आप chicken खाते हैं, some of, not everyone, some people they love eating chickens. So chicken from where we get? From hen. Then next we have is horses. Nee, nee. So you all must have listened that sound. Nee. And you must have enjoyed a horse ride or a horse cart ride. What is horse ride? When you are sitting on the horse and you are riding. And what is horse cart? When the horse is pulling a cart. वो अपने साथ एक cart को pull करता है and you all sit on that. So that is horse cart. You all must have enjoyed that. How they are helping on farm is whatever the crops are cultivated, जो भी चीजें farm पे उगती हैं, वो city में sell करने के लिए आती हैं. How? Horse carts के. So horse are also helpful. The next we have is cows. You all must have heard that sound even near to your house. Sometimes you can see cow near to our house. They make a sound. Isn't it? So cow, how cow is helpful? A lot of things. Cow तो बहुत helpful होती है. She gives milk and we make so many things out of it. Ghee, paneer, milk itself, then butter. Then we have curd, we have milkshakes, cheese, then all the sweets, they are all made with milk. So lot of things we have out of milk. Then bull, जो male cow होती है वो क्या करती है? वो हमारे fields को plow करती है, वो हमारे fields में help करती है cultivation में. Then we have pigs. So how the pigs do? Quack quack, quack quack, quack quack. Now can anyone tell me how pigs are helpful to us? Again, we are using their skin, or you can say we are using their flesh. The flesh eaters जो भी होते हैं, जो non-veg खाते हैं, they use different part of pig to eat, to with their meals, isn't it? So these are the things why we keep these animals on farm. Now one day there was an old MacDonald. There was a person, MacDonald, he was very old and he was having a lot of animals on farm. What sort of animals they? And they all were making beautiful sounds and they were enjoying a dance on the farm. So let us do that, okay? An old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. An old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. An old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some dogs, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some dogs, E-I-E-I-O. With a bow bow here and a bow bow there, here a bow, there a bow, everywhere a bow bow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Now we have learned about two animals. If you will just listen carefully, you will find the whole rhyme is same. Only what is changing? Name of the animal and the sound. So it's very easy to learn this rhyme. आप सिर्फ एक stanza learn करेंगे. This rhyme is given on page number 21 in your book. ठीक है? Just learn one stanza. You can learn around 5 lines, and after that you will find all the lines are repeating. सब lines repeat हो रही हैं. The only change is name of the animal and the sound. Clear? Okay, let's move ahead. An old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some cats, E-I-E-I-O. With meow meow here and a meow meow there, here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba here and a ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some hens, E-I-E-I-O. With a chook chook here and a chick chick there, here a chick, everywhere a chick chick. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some horses. And on that farm he had some horses, E-I-E-I-O. With a knee here and a knee there, here a knee, there a knee, everywhere a knee. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo here and a moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had animals, going there. E-I-E-I-O, E-I-E-I-O, E-I-E-I-O. Understood? You enjoyed this poem? Okay, great. So now, what you have to do, as I have told you, the poem is on page number 21 in your book. So open your rhyme book and there you will find this poem. Clear? What you have to do, I don't ask you to learn the whole poem once. पूरी poem एक बार में learn करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Take 2 animals every day, like dog and cat, sheep and horse, cow and pig. So like this, you can take two animals one day. Clear? 2 animals को एक दिन करिए, 2 को एक दिन करिए. Like this, when you will go in the continuation, you will able to learn the whole poem. But this poem is all about animals and their sounds. What you can do is, when you are learning this poem, also try to learn how they walk. So all animals, they walk, but here we have a duck that swings. Just you can observe carefully. I'll just try to share a link for the animated poem also. आप उसको देखना and there you will see how these animals are walking. Clear? How they are enjoying, they are jumping out of joy and they are playing with each other. This is such a beautiful rhyme. If you will express it, if you will learn it, as I have told you, with actions, expressions and joy, it will be like wow. Clear everyone? So when you are sharing the video of this rhyme as your today's homework, try to express, try to do your actions as enjoyingly as you can. Enjoy each and every word of the rhyme. That is the real way of singing the rhyme. Okay? So bye for now. Take care and meet you soon.